good day, and just like that, my friends came and they left. You guys saw a little bit of them.
They would just come, eat and leave. Vote.
I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up.
Hi babes, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night. It's a brand new cloudy day here. When I tell you about this time of the year with these cloudiness and this rain. But yes, Sarah, if it don't rain, then how we survive? We can't survive without the rain. You want to put on clothes? Where are you going? Anyway, you guys, it's very cloudy here. It even rained last night. The way I was tired, I didn't hear any of that. But it rained last night, but we have to give thanks for the rain, because without the rain, there's no water. Yes, come say good morning to Faves. Come here. Come. Up. Come. Come here first. Come here first. Mama, you come to Mama first. You're too funny. Say good morning, Faves. Come around, say good morning to Faves. My kids and I are up, and I already made them breakfast, and it's gonna be kind of busy day for me, just fine-tuning things in preparation for the week. No, Sarah's a big girl. Oh la la, I have to lift you up too?
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
Miss Powerful, Miss Oak.
Say good morning. Oh gosh, I have to put you down right here, so no sir. Look at the chocolate on your mouth. Evidence. What was he eating?
Get down. Yes, you have.
Listen to
Get down. Get down on the table. Get down on the table. Get down on the table.
She's telling Ty to get down off the table.
On the table.
She's right. Get down. You're too much. Eh?
Get down.
Anyway, you guys, the chaos as usual in this house. Go with Ty. Take Ty with you. Mama have things to do. Anyway, they're off because I have things to do today. I need an early start to fine tune things because tomorrow is school for me. I'm excited about that. So first thing first, you guys are gonna be in the kitchen with me because I am gonna prep some things to make dinner because I have some friends coming over later. Yeah, so stick and stay, enjoy today's vlog. We have a lot to show you guys today, so have a good day, and whatever it is that you set out to do today, do it with grace, do it with love, be compassionate to somebody, be kind, stick and stay, and I'll see you guys throughout the rest of today. Some green juice right now. My kids have been asking for green juice, and the fact that they're having this cold, especially Sarah, it's a good time to make green juice for them. So if you guys don't know what I normally put in my green juice is cucumber, celery, ginger, lemon, and apple. So I'm gonna whip that up right now. Come for your green juice. We soon put it on. Put it down over there. Come for your green juice. Come. Tyler, come for your green juice, please. One is here. Where's the other one? Is here? She's itching. All done. Look, Tai, all done. Sarah turn. Come. Come. Bravo. Very good. Sarah, it's all done. Good job. What you want to put on? You're gonna be too hot. What are you two doing?
I'm trying to fix this here because
You're trying to fix the hair with that. But that won't work. Tyler, that won't work. You have to use it.
how do you know?
Because that's not made for to catch hair. You have to use the thing that I use for Sarah's hair. So what is that in your back?
My sword?
Your sword.
I'm a ninja.
A ninja doing hair at the same time? What kind of ninja is this? You're a multitasking ninja?
To cut you.
You're going to go to
Click. Face.
You're too funny. So you're a ninja, you're a Naruto, you're a...
Naruto is a ninja.
Oh, Naruto is a ninja.
Yes.
Okay, and you're a hairdresser at the same time.
I'm not a hairdresser at the same time.
But I saw you doing hair over there.
Because it was annoying me.
It was annoying you?
Yes.
Why is it annoying you? It's not in your way.
Because I was looking in the mirror, she was looking same time.
You're
But
funny.
I'm here. Jeez.
I was changing the bed sheets in my room and Tyler and Sarah wanted a cabin. So I just put up the sheet and put their Tyler chair under it, and I came back and look what they built around. They're literally at the Eiffel Tower. Look at them. Tyler, don't put that thing at your mouth before it go down in your throat. What you eating? You eating pizza?
Yeah.
Look under here. Look under there. What you two doing?
Mama, I
Yes.
remember of one exercise that I did at school, and there was an image
Uh-huh.
of persons living in a house with only one room, and it's all that room. There was all these things, and I'm trying to do like that.
You know that there's many people in the world that only live in one room, right? And have big family. Everybody sleep in the same bed. They have to cook in the same room, everything. Because those people can't afford to live in a house with different, everybody have their own room.
But in this place, I don't really have any place to do the bed, so after I'm going to build it here.
Okay. So what you have in your house right now?
We're eating pizza here behind with the storage.
Okay.
This is the lamp, and in same time
Oh,
the fire, and
okay.
to cook and to
Make
make
you warm.
sleep.
Okay.
Warm also.
All right.
Two is the chair.
Mm-hmm.
This is the juice that comes with the pizza.
Oh, okay.
And
I love their imagination. All right.
here is games.
All right.
And in same time the wall.
All right.
Here
And
is the bin, and in same time a wall too. And outside I can do the bed.
all right. So you're gonna sleep outside?
Yes, at the stars.
Okay.
Fire beside us.
All right. Enjoy. You guys, I am back in the kitchen. I don't even know the last time I saw you, but I'm back in the kitchen cooking. I'm making ackee and saltfish at the moment. What else is on my menu today? Then I'm gonna put some chicken in the oven, and then I'm gonna make some dumpling and bananas, and then I'm gonna make some rice. So that's what's on the menu for today. I have to call my wingman to open the aki for me. Say hello.
Quand il est, ça conseillé de devenir un membre de la Katsuki de la même chose.
All done, finished cooking, and here's what the finished products looking like. Chicken, all's done, all's done. Sauce need to finish up though. And then in here I have dumpling and banana, dumpling and banana, dumpling and banana. And then over here I steamed some cauliflower, carrot, and peas. And then we have the ackee and saltfish. And then we have the rice. The moment has finally come for us to test the table tennis. See a big kick, Mama. Mama turn. Thank you. One hand at all times.
Voilà, comme ça. Il faut viser.
But you have to hit it to make it drop on the table, okay? For one hand.
Okay.
Yes, baby. Alright.
No.
Wait on it, you have to wait on it. You can't move before it falls. Put it in his hand. Look. Hey.
C'est pour ça qu'avant,
Yes,
il y avait,
yes. Let me see your face. Hello.
ils faisaient les costumes sur
Tell them
mesure.
hello. You're not telling them
C'est
hello?
pour ça
You're not ready?
qu'il faut
Yes.
faire.
Give me
C'est
the
la raison
smile.
pourquoi ça
Yes,
existe.
give me the
Nous, on
smile.
achète
Yes, give
en
it to
gros
me.
comme ça rapidement,
Give
mais
it
avant,
to
les gens,
me.
ils n'achetaient pas comme
Yeah,
ça.
yes, girl. Yes,
Ça
yes. I love it. Yes, tell me. Tell me. You're ready to go to school? You're ready to go to school? Yes. You're ready. I love all the stockings. I love all the stockings. I love all the
fonctionne de ce qu'on fait aussi.
I love all the stockings. He's a little carrot. You are gonna chat early. You are gonna chat early. Yes, Tell me. You want to tell me everything that you did all week. Tell me everything that you did all week. Tell me. You did a lot of poo. You did a lot of caca.
Il reste carré pour que le poids ne bouge pas.
Yes. Tell me. What did you do for mommy all week? Tell me. You did a lot of poo, a lot of caca. One more try. Hey princess, you have me a big muscle. Look on us, so you're getting weighty. My grandmother always said, never tell a baby they're getting heavy. Because only when people dead them heavy. You're weighty. You're weighty. You're getting big and plummy and rosy. Yeah, you're rosy.
I can't say fish.
Happy nice. No, not chicken. I can't saw fish me there.
You have a lot of ackee tin made
2. Only 2.
for Christmas.
But let's tell me what you're gonna order, so we can just order one big thing together. Anita.
It's not better if you do it straight from.
UK?
No.
Oh, Paris?
No.
Paris off?
Hi guys.
So you're pushing me like that for?
Way too far.
I'm normally on this side now.
You had a good day?
I had a good day, and just like that, my friends came and they left. You guys saw a little bit of them.
They would just come eat and leave. They would.
You guys do not listen to my husband here. Don't. But that was the aim though. The kids have school tomorrow. What do you expect? They were to stay until midnight like it's the weekend. Just like that. I feel like I had a send-off dinner. A send-off. You know, like when your kids leaving for a new country or a new city, or they're going off to college. I feel like I have a send-off dinner for me going off to school tomorrow. Yes, and just like that, it's the last day of an old chapter, and tomorrow is the beginning of a new one. I'm excited. How much time I'm gonna tell you guys I'm excited? Anyways, I'll be definitely vlogging tomorrow to let you guys know how my first day will go. But yeah, dinner was good. How was dinner?
It was good.
I eat about 4 dumplings.
Oh, I eat about 0 dumpling.
Because babe don't like dumpling and babe don't like banana. But me and Tashika killed that. I ate about 4 dumplings and 2 bananas. Wow. Wow. That's my whole calorie for the week.
That's full of calorie? Yeah, the way you look at me is more than a chocolate bread.
That's all flour, babe. So think about it.
Oil
All
and
flour.
And
No,
oil.
the dumpling is just flour.
Okay.
So it's a lot of carbs. But I wanted it to satisfy my soul. And now that my soul is satisfied, we shall move on.
Yeah, just need to drink and celebrate
Yeah, I might just have a drink after
with
this.
a cake.
No cake tonight.
Tomorrow back to workout. She gonna feel what I feel every day. Walk out, waking up at 5:20, 5:30, walk out and have to get up and go to work
You
and
guys,
come back at 6 p.m.
Let me tell you something.
without resting.
I was waiting for him to just take that moment. I'm surprised that it took this long for him to say it out aloud, but I was waiting for him to say it. I know he was thinking about it. I was just waiting for him.
Is she gonna tell me
out
that is so easy, or is she gonna snore at school?
Hello, let me tell you something.
Let's see tomorrow night what time
When
you
I
go
used to
bed.
do track and
What
field,
time you go to
when
bed
I returned to track and field after my big injury, for you guys don't know, I used to do track and field years ago. I used to be a supervisor of a canteen for a company, right? I used to have to wake up 4:30 every morning, get ready, go and catch the bus from Portmore, yeah, go Mona all the way up Papine to training, track and field training, train for 2 hours, then leave training and go to work, and I'm not leaving work until 6-7 p.m. at night. I'm not saying that it's not hard, but it's doable. I'm not saying I'm not gonna complain, but it's doable. It's the life. It's what you want to do.
Naya,
So you're gonna have to do it.
woman.
So it doesn't matter. I'm still gonna complain and I'm still going to do it. So I mean, it's not like I don't know what you're feeling. I know what you're feeling, but you're still going to do it. So your point is what? Been there, done that, and I'll continue to do it. If one day I wake up and I feel like, man, I can't go, I am just not going to work out. I'm not gonna die. You think I'm a chicken now? I'm gonna show you. Since you don't know the wife that you have, no, let me show you the wife that you have, because I don't think you appreciate the strength of the woman that is in me. So I'm gonna make you have a different level of appreciation for me, okay? All right, I'm done ranting now. I'm ending the vlog. Too much.
So if you enjoyed the vlog, give a
thumbs up.
Don't forget to
like, comment, subscribe, catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys
tomorrow. Me say tomorrow.
What was that?
Me say tomorrow.